Very good morning. It's Saturday morning and it's 8:30.
Nice, 25.
8:25 and again we are late as always and we are going to catch the train. And today also we don't know that we'll be able to catch the train or not. But like we are trying our best. And I am on a holiday of 2 days. Getting holiday from each and everything and having fun in Maldives. So Panga picked me up from there today at morning, and we are going to Agra station, by the way, so that we can do our regular classes as well. So let's see whether we will able to catch the train or not. So bye bye.
As we are in India, so it's 8:33, and the train is not here yet. According to the app, the train should be here. The app name is There is no train, but the thing is, the train is not here yet. So we are walking towards the station. Like we have reached the station right now. So waiting for the train. Now let's see when the train comes. So the announcement is being made that the train is coming. Welcome. So we have reached. It's a mission successful. The thing is that I went to play in the morning, like at 5 a.m. I went to play cricket in the morning, so that's why I was late. I came home at 8:10 a.m. and after that I got ready and I'm here at the station at 8:30. 31 or 32 I was here, right? So
No, we are here at 8:35.
okay, we were here at 8:35 and it's 8:36 now, but the train is not here yet. Let's see when it comes. Yeah, being tired. So it's 9:08 right now and we have came outside of the Legan station. We are outside of Legan station, like we have reached here at 9:06. So now we will have to walk towards Lake Garden. Sorry, we will have to walk towards our college. It will take around 10 minutes to reach there. But it's a coincidence that like previous day the train came at 9:50 and reached here at 9:10, and today the train came at around 9:40 and still reached here at 9:08. So like it's something kuch to gadbad hai, that kind of thing. So it's a dance competition by our melodic group. So it's 3:54 and all the club meeting and all is over. Melodic moves have organized a dance competition. So there was dance going on. Oh, you can say I can even hear the sound from the like. I think that neighbors will complain after some time. Everybody is shouting too much. So the dance competition was good, but we need to go home because today is Kartik Puja at my house. And the thing is, I'll have to go early, and if it's over, so means our college is over, so we can go right now. So after today we had corporate session with HDFC Securities, right? Means HDFC AUM. Mutual fund, yeah. So that was a very great session with, what was the name of it?
Shrestha something.
So it was our session was with the Vice President of the Eastern region of HDFC. So it was a very great session. Like he gave us a very brief idea about, in-depth idea about the industry, and it was an interactive session. And our first class was of statistics, and after that we had corporate session. After that, as always, the session continued for around 1 hour 15 minutes. So after that we had food and then went to the club meeting. So we have decided something like around we will do with a kind of competitive quiz competition kind of thing that we are planning to do. So we will do it soon. We are planning to do it. So the plan is. So the thing is that here, means in our club, we need to present it, like post it in Excel and present it to sir. After the approval of sir, we will be able to do it. So as of now, we are just planning to do it. Like there will be an application or something like that, in which we will give some questions, around 5 questions or 10 questions, and there will be some time limit. So there's our plan is that we will make a inter-college quiz competition on a weekly basis, and there would be some prize money in it. No, not the prize money, but there should be a prize. The weekly winner will be posted in our Instagram, and a 2 weeks consecutive winner will be posted in our Instagram, and also they will get some prize like chocolates and a small cup or something like that. So that's the thing, and the plan needs to be, before being executed, we need to present it to Saurav sir, like in an Excel sheet. And because there is scheduler in our there is a scheduler in our
Simsang manner.
I'm trying to talk with an accent, that's why I'm talking.
Then keep it up.
So we have a scheduler. What was it called? A scheduler, right? Mm-hmm. So in which we need to update everything before starting anything. Like if we are planning to make a Instagram account, so we'll have to update there first.
Yes,
and
it's basically what you are thinking. First you have to write it over there, and then you have to
execute it.
Execute it. It's like you are thinking so many things, but at that time when you are going to execute that, maybe you forget some of the points. So for that reason, Saurav sir told us that first write it down, what we have to do, and then slowly we will do that. And actually, if you relate this to your life, then that it's a very good thing. Like if you plan your goals and if you write it over like in any piece of paper or in Excel or anywhere, write it down there and then slowly achieve it. So that's the main motive.
So that's all for today. We're walking towards Lake Garden Station. Our train is at 4:11, right?
4:11.
So our train is at 4:11. So that's all for today. We have I've talked more than 5 minutes today. So bye-bye.